Toastmaster Club that is written in each and every book, and it is in my college. But I am aware about it, but I haven't joined it because there is a lot of work and but in this lockdown, after reading so many books and after getting a lot of updation, I have upgraded myself, and
Okay.
then I take that action. I have took that action, took that initiative, and when I have joined, so I have attended a lot of meetings. You know, there is a lot to learn in Toastmasters Club
Okay.
because आप किसी को ना जब सुनते हो, किसी को ऑब्जर्व करते हो, then automatically आपका माइंड भी ट्रेन होता रहता है. Your mind is getting trained by it. Your mind listen the words which we don't know, and then we think that, oh my God, this is something that I need to learn, and that
Couldn't
is
agree more,
the
brother. Right. Absolutely
yeah.
said, man. So true.
Yeah. So you learn through observing, you learn from others' behavior as well, and you
Like
learn
there's a
from
question
yeah.
from Tejal. Sorry to break you, but Tejal
Yeah.
wants to ask some question
Can
and
I
let you answer
can
them.
I yeah, can I also join the Toastmaster Club? If yes, then please tell the procedure. Okay. So Tejal, you can go to the website of Toastmasters International Club, and here there you can find any club because there is a option find a club. Whatever the club is nearest to you, you can join that club.
Nearest to
And
means like that particular place. Suppose if I am in Bangalore, like there will be some of the other
you
Toastmaster
know,
club.
I'll tell you, if you are doing a job in Amazon, आपकी कंपनी का भी एक टोस्ट मास्टर क्लब पक्का होगा. योर कंपनी मस्ट हैव अ टोस्ट मास्टर क्लब because in Infosys Chandigarh there is a club of Toastmaster, and I have seen lot of companies are having, because every company needs a leader right now. I need a good
Right.
speaker, I need a good business communicator who can negotiate, who can
Yeah.
persuade others, and who can
Right.
lead others. So
Rightly said,
that's
man.
why company took the initiative. Company also has started this Toastmaster club in their organization, and I must suggest you, yeah, this is something that unbelievable, and this is something will grow you like anything. Your communication, the and I will tell you one thing. I don't know about the things that how can I speak, and that was that I have attended, but I have a belief that I can speak because I have spoken upon a lot of stages, and when I
Right.
spoke, I because they give you free meetings first.
Okay.
As a guest they invite you, as a guest they invite you because उनको ये होता है कि आप आइए हमारी मीटिंग अटेंड करिए, एंड देन टेक अ a little about the intro, little about the crux of this meeting, how this is
Right.
going to help you. They
Uh,
don't push you, they take the initiative, take the action.
okay.
But
Yeah, yeah,
but
yeah,
they
yeah. Yeah, I heard about Toastmaster. Like, there are clubs available, and if you get in there, you get like there is huge network.
yeah.
You get network done, and you get the speaking assignment over there. And like the Stagel wanted to get into Toastmaster, like you can help. And even like me and my Sumuk, we want to get into Toastmaster. We were also
Yeah,
discussing on the same
yeah,
web. So,
you can reach out to that website, the www.toastmasters international club, and
okay.
you will get a club. And
So the club
ये
which
नहीं
is available
yeah
near to our place, right?
yeah and which is not available to your place, which is available to international as well. You can join another
Okay.
club as well.
Got it. Got it.
Yeah, if you want to like Australia, Canada, US, and like London, UK, you can join any club.
Is it?
Yeah, I have seen lot of
Nice.
people.
Something new. So, yeah. So, like, what is this Toastmaster all about, Sagar? Like, what happens inside? Like, if it is
See,
confidential,
in
you can't like
in
let me.
टोस्ट मास्टर्स सी, आप लोग देखो ना, एक कम्युनिटी है राइट. इफ वी बिल्ड अ कम्युनिटी, व्हाट इज द मोटिव दैट कम्युनिटी, राइट? लाइक अगर ई कॉमर्स की बात करें, हमारा वर्क क्या है? वी वांट टू बिल्ड ई कॉमर्स टू हायर लेवल, राइट? एंड
Right,
वी
to grow.
वांट एंड वी वांट ईच एंड एवरी employee to grow. राइट क्योंकि जब दूसरे बंदे साथ में उठेंगे तभी तो कंपनी की ग्रोथ भी बढ़ेगी ना, ये भी सोचो, राइट। एंड हियर इज द मोटिव ऑफ टोस्ट मास्टर इज to become you as a leader, to become you as an effective public speaker. And here we not judge anybody. Here
Right.
our motive is to motivate you, and we push you that you one day you will become an effective spokesperson, one day you will become a good public speaker, one day you will become an effective communicator. And I will tell you
Absolutely.
one thing also, जब आप enroll करोगे ना, there are 11 pathways in Toastmaster Club.
Okay.
First, leadership development. Second, team collaboration. Third is innovation planning. Fourth is motivational strategies. Fifth is persuading others. Seventh is negotiation skills. And eighth is आपका dynamic leadership. Ninth is effective leadership qualities, and two more others. And आपको उसमें से एक चूज करना है.
Okay. Agreed with you, Tejal. He's really speaking effectively, and he's amazing. Sagar is amazing. Great opportunity, and I agree with you, Tejal. Good, Sagar. See, people are recognizing you. People are coming to know about you.
Thank you so
that's
much,
it.
Tejal. Thank you so much.
Yeah, and as you told those eight pointers of Toastmaster, awesome, man. Appreciable. So coming to my next question, Sagar.
And I'll tell you one thing. मेरा
Yeah,
जब
yeah.
स्टार्ट हुआ था ना, मैं first what I do is I observe others. Like I have started my journey in +2 when I was in class 12. I have started speaking up on the stages because I want to do something that others are not doing. Because
Right.
communication skill is a big ocean.
Mm.
हम लोग क्या
Thanks
what our
everyone. Thanks
mind-
for joining.
what our mind says is ना कि यार कम्युनिकेशन का मतलब तो यही होता है कि यार इंग्लिश को स्पीक करना आ गया, वी लव टू स्पीक इन इंग्लिश, ताती होंगे ये सब पता लग गया, वी वुड लव टू डू, बट we don't know how to speak politely, we don't know how to respect others, we don't know how to deal with others, we don't know how to negotiate others.
Yes.
And you know what,
Absolutely.
that is come era in effective communication skill. आप देखो, whether you are selling your product or services, यार आपको तो स्किल आना
Thanks,
चाहिए ना,
Rahul.
आपको
Thanks,
तो स्किल
Tejas.
आना, आपको तो स्किल आना चाहिए ना, उसके दिमाग में वो आपका प्रोडक्ट जाना चाहिए. Why that product goes to other person? Why whatever you are doing, why that person listen you? तो आपको ये सब चीजें सीखनी पड़ेंगी, right? And communication skills is a big ocean for me, and it is right.
Like communication is like what I feel is should and must for everyone. If God has given you that gift, like you can speak, use it to the next level, yaar. Like as I heard, like I follow Gary Vee religiously. He like I love that one sentence of his. He tell that the fear of he getting his voice gone, like उसका जब अगर वो vocal चला गया, उससे ज्यादा मतलब वो डर बहुत बड़ा है. Then is death. So that's so powerful.
Public speaking is a fear of death. I have read in so many books, and it is, आप क्या ना सर्च कर सकते हैं, you can search in internet why people are so afraid. मैं ये जो है ना, मरने से भी ज्यादा खतरा लोगों को स्टेज पे जाने से हिचकिचाहट होती है बहुत ज्यादा, लोगों
Right.
के पैर कांप जाते हैं, हाथ, जब मुंह से ना गले से आवाज नहीं निकलती है. एंड यू नो व्हाट, आपके पास गुड नॉलेज है, आई एग्री विद दैट, बट इफ यू आर नॉट एबल टू प्रेजेंट योरसेल्फ, दैट नॉलेज इज
Waste. That doesn't make any sense.
yeah.
You
And
need to
see
be a
na-
proper communicator.
and it does